Why? Ala, thank you, AB. I hope you win a lot of. Hi, Olive. Thank you, AB. AB, follow me back on my second account if you want my reply. I'm gonna up the second account here because I can reply on my main. Follow me back here, AB, so I can reply you. Here, all. Hi, Polube. Can I have your follow back here so I can reply you? Thank you, AB. Hi, Daddy. Hi, call me Jerry. Hi. Hi, Black Panther. Kayo magsayaw, T. Lah. Hi, 77. Hi, Dreezed. Hi, Ronel. Pangat naman ng dress. Hi, Gessin. Shall we? Hi, Cool. Hi, Rockwell. Hi, Rockwell. Hi, Rico Suave. Ang ganda sana ng tali ko, guys, oh. Pasabog, diba? Hi, HS. Hi, Tiger. Hi, Sunflower. Hi, Jertogs. Ba't wala tayong viewers, te? Charis. Parang ini-eme naman kayo ng bakalang to. Hi, Mags. Wala na akong eyelash, oh. Hi, Spider UK. Hi, Harrison. Nawala na. Thank you, Ab. Thank you, AB. Hi, Mags. Hindi pa ako naka-share live. Harrison, thank you for follow. Yun, di ako nakapag-share live. Bakla. Sad naman.
Ay, sorry ko yung pasok ang chinilas ko.
Baliw. Sad naman. Hi, Jenny. Ano yun? Ha? Ano? Visit. Hi, the morning. Hello. Ano yan? Tao, malamang. Tao sa bahay. Hi, Toji. Bahay daw kasi niya. Nakikitira lang ako dito, guys. Bahay to ng kuya ko. Mga tao, mga chismoso. Ah, spray yun. Hi, Boye. Hi, Boboy V. Ano ba tingin nyo dyan? Harrison! Follow me back on my second account. Because I can't... Wait, I'm gonna up my second account here if you want to know. Because I can't on my name. Kala nyo kung ano lang. Follow me back here, Harrison. Here. Because I only respond here. Follow me here. Thank you, Harrison. Ano ba yan? Isturbo? That's my brother. He always go in my room. Just to get his old things. He owned this house. That's why. Hi, Mr. Pleasure. Walidong bong dong dong. Kala nyo lalayas ako, kaya may nag-spray ng pabango. Pasabog kayo. No! Hi, Ninja! Sana matagdagan ng viewers natin, te. Hi, that guy. But this is my room. It's huge, right? It's huge. I own this. Hi, My Ninja pala. I own this room and I renovated it. He allows me to renovate it. So yeah, I'm happy. Hi, Traveler. That's why it's really huge for just small like me. And it's so expensive that I renovate this because it's really huge. For me, for a small girl like me. So that's why I'm still, adjusting dahil my old room. Hi, Harrison. Thank you for top. Dahil my old room is, small. Hi, Pibios. Makakatipid naman sana ako. Hi, Crimson. Hi, Juon. Hi, CD Dockets. Hi, it's Anonymous. Makakatipid naman sana ako, guys, kung maliit lang room. Hi, Daniel, pero hindi. Kailangan naman pinturahan ko dito is kalahati lang at paggawa ko yung kisame is kalahati lang din, diba? Kuya ko yan. Hi, Prime Bean. Lola ko yan na sumampalataya na. Cheris, hi, Prime Bean. Thank you for top. Hi, Jamelo. Hi, Pistachio. Isaro ka, Pistachio. Mag-share live muna kaya ako, guys, while waiting, diba? While waiting. Ayun, sa lahat ini-istorbo ko mag-live, eh. Pero pag siya, hindi naman siya ini-istorbo, diba? Wait lang, guys, Hi, Harrison. Welcome back. Is that you? Wait. I'm just gonna share my live first because, maybe someone will get here to get interested. I'm just gonna share my live. Wait lang, Molly. Let me share my live first. Yan. Hi, Trash! Pamilya ko po. Hi, Henry. Hi, Godzilla. Sherry. Hi, Kengi. Ba't ang baba ng viewers ko, Teo? Baka dito lang. Dito lang yan. Hi, Ma! Baka dito lang yan. Ang baba naman masyado. Yan lang. Hello, Mother. Hi, Palm. Salm ba? Salm or Palm? Yun. Hi, Michael. Shawi. Hi, Johnson. Have you ever watched... Hi, Gary. Nag-share na ako ng live. ng live ko, 'di ba? Baka naman. Hi, King James. Hello, King James. Hi, Spicy. Di na tayo nakapaglinis, guys. Oh my gosh. Hi, Mysterious Man. Hindi na ako nakapaglinis. Hi, Dos. Kainis. Pero nakapagwalis naman na ako. Ewan ba. Masyado ako nasa-short sa time dahil ang gising ko ay super late na. As in. Thank you for follow. Who is Misterioso or Mysterious Man? I can't follow back. Wait. How do I follow this? Sorry. I'm still ignorant. Hi, Mark. Hi, Dos. Thank you for follow po. I'm still ignorant when it comes to this, guys. Like, bro. You wouldn't believe. Hi, Joker. Hi, Sammy. Sammy99. Hi, Kane Joy. Hi, Jackie. Shawi. Hi, Benz. Hi, Leo. Nakagutom, guys. Hi, Lodi Cakes. Hello. Parang gusto ko magmerienda pero later na lang. Later na lang, mga B. Hello, John. Hi, John. Hi, MK. Hi, no one. Wala may nag-message. Ay, wala. Eh, may lang pala yun. Kala ko may nag-message. Patay mo ilaw, ah. Hi, Jane. Shawi. Hi, Dancing. Nalawala. Kala ko sila, ano. Nawi-weird ako sa message nito. Baka hacker to, ti. Baka na-hack siya kasi nagme-message siya sa akin na ano yun. May ipe-present daw siya business friendship ko. Tapos, bakit madaling araw, te? Bakit madaling araw, di ba? Hi, Spreaky Talk. Di ba? Ang weird nun. Kaya sabi ko baka hacker. Tapos ipa-share screen sa akin yung phone ko. Eh, di nakuha niya lahat ng mga infos ko. Ganun. Hi, call me Jerry. Patay may ilaw sa hala, ha? Pangit pala pag walang eyelash, no, guys? Ito nga tayo pangit sa pinto. Magano. Ito tayo, B. Yan. Perfect. Yan. Perfect yan, guys. Hi, Drew. Thank you for top, Drew. Hello, Drew. Good evening. It's evening here. How about there? How about there? Hi, Surya. Surya or Sarya? Surya pala. Hello.